माया कल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि पेज नंबर 365. We saw at the end how antakarana vritti, which is the karyam of ajnanam, can remove its karanam ajnanam. Purvapakshi's objection was, how can karya remove karanam? Karana nasha, karya nasha can happen because of karana nasha. But karana nasha because of karya, how will it happen? So, this antakarana vritti is the darshtanta. So, he gave the example, vrishchikadina gomayadehe upadanasya api abhibhava darshanat. Vrishchika, the scorpion, etc., gomayadehe, they are arising from the cow dung. Gomayadehe upadanasya api abhibhava darshanat. So they can do abhibhava of their upadanam. It's karanam. Then Vedanti's main answer was that we don't believe in Arambhavada, we accept Parinamavada. So the Vrishchikadi, they are already present in the Kauda. Their avayavas are there. So main thing that Vedanti was explaining was that it is possible for antakarana vritti to remove ajnanam. Either you accept that ajnanam as one mula jnana and many avarana shaktis, or one jnanam will remove tula jnanam, which is antakaranavachinna chaitanya. It's ajnanam. Antakaranavachinna chaitanya ajnanam is tula jnanam. So before we enter into the next nanu, just understand this much first. When we say ghata jnanam will remove ghata ajnanam, what we mean is ghata jnanam will remove ghata avachinna chaitanya ajnanam. Ghata jnanam will remove ghata avachinna chaitanya ajnanam. Similarly, when we say where is Rajju Sarpa appearing, so in the beginning we say Rajju Sarpa appears in Rajju. Then we say Rajju Sarpa appears in Rajju Avachinna Chaitanya. But ultimately we'll have to say Rajju or Sarpa appears in Chaitanya, not even Avachinna Chaitanya. So now that this is the discussion. Page number 366. Nanu चक्षुरादि जन्य शुक्त्यादि वृत्तेः सप्रकारिकायाः निष्प्रकारक शुद्ध चैतन्य अविषयतया तदा मूला ज्ञान अभिभव अभावे अपि अवच्छिन्न विषयतया आदि from आदिजन्य शुक्त्यादि वृत्ति सब प्रकार का शुद्ध चैतन्य. Everybody has the problem, or
Swami, everybody has a problem.
everybody has? सब प्रकार का शुक्त्यादि वृत्ति. सब प्रकार मीन्स शुक्तित्व प्रकार का, शुक्त्यादि शुक्ति विशेषक. दिस इज शुक्त्यादि वृत्ति. एंड ब्रह्म इज निष्प्रकारक. निष्प्रकारक शुद्ध चैतन्य अविषयतया तद आवरण रूप मूला ज्ञान अभिभव अभावे अपि. तद आवरण रूप मूला ज्ञान is not removed by Shukti Adi Vritti. Shukti Vritti, let us say. Shukti Vritti will remove Shukti Ajnanam in simple words, not Brahma Ajnana. So Tad Avarana, Tad means Shuddha Chaitanya. Shuddha Chaitanya Avarana is Mula Jnana. Mula Jnana Abhibhava Abhava by Shukti Adi Vritti. Abhibhava Abhave api Avachinna Vishayaya Taya. अवच्छिन्न विषय इज शुक्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य. अवच्छिन्न विषय तया अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य आवरण रूप. अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य इज देयर. इट्स आवरण इज कॉल्ड तूला ज्ञानम. सो अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य आवरण रूप तूला ज्ञान अभिभवो युज्यते. सिद्धांति सेड दिस. मीन्स शुक्ति वृत्ति विल नॉट रिमूव मूला ज्ञानम, बट शुक्ति वृत्ति विल रिमूव तूला ज्ञानम. Mula Jnanam is on what?
Mula
Jnanam is about Shuddha Chaitanya. Tula Jnanam is about
Avachinna Chaitanya.
Avachinna Chaitanya. Yujyate. Te matam, this matam of yours, ayukta. This is not correct. Avachinne avidya kalpite. So first understand another. So this much concept is clear. Now one more thing. Ajnanam will not cover Jadavastu. Ajnanam has no prayojanam in covering Jadavastu. Like, you know, this, let's say you want to put blindfold. Will you put blindfold to a blind person?
No.
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 Why? It doesn't serve any purpose. So Ajnanam does not cover Jadavastu. Ajnanam will only cover Chaitanya. So Purva Bhakya says, avachinna chaitanya. Avachinna chaitanya has avidya part of it or not? Purva Bhakshi is asking. Shuddha chaitanya is devoid of avidya. Other than Shuddha chaitanya, everything is avidya. Because everything is mithya. Other than Brahma, you say everything is mithya. So, Ghatavachinna Chaitanya, Patavachinna Chaitanya, all Avachinna Chaitanya will be mithya. Avidya Karyatvat. They all will have avidya to some amsha. Because Shuddha Chaitanya is aparichinna, anavachinna. So, avachinne avidya kalpite, aprasakta prakashe, where prakasha is not available, मूला विद्यायाः इव तद आवरण शक्तेः अयोगात्. Mula Vidya is not going to cover that aspect which is jada, which is avidya karya. So between Shukti and Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya, Shukti and Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya, which is Chaitanya? Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya. So Shukti will not be covered by avidya, Avachinna Chaitanya will be covered. Between Avachinna Chaitanya and Anavachinna Chaitanya, Avachinna Chaitanya is jada. Avachinna Chaitanya is jada even with respect to Shukti. It is also jada because it is avidya karyam. Avidya is present there also. So avarana has no prayojanam in covering jada vastu or avidya karya. So because it is like saying avidya covers itself. So even Avachinna Chaitanya is not covered by avidya. Avarana Shakti is only on Mula Vidya. And therefore, when Shukti Vritti comes, Shuktyakara Vritti, which Avarana it will remove? It will remove Avarana on Anavachinna Chaitanya. Purva Bhakshi is saying. Because Shukti doesn't have Avarana, Avachinna Chaitanya doesn't have Avarana, only Anavachinna Chaitanya is Avarana. Shuktyakara Vritti will come, Avachinna Chaitanya Avarana will go, Anavachinna Chaitanya Avarana will go, you will get moksha. Avachinne avidya kalpite, aprasakta prakashe. There where prasakta prakasha is not there, means it is jada. Like Mula Vidya. Mula Vidyayaha iva tad avarana shaktehe ayogat. Just as Mula Vidya is not covering jada vastu, aprasakta prakasha vastu. Mula Vidya, the avarana shakti will not also not cover that vastu. Tvaya anabhyupagatvatcha, and you don't accept that jada vastu is covered by Mula Vidya or its avarana shakti. So jada vishishta atmanam prati tad abhyupagamecha. So now it is jada vishishta atma means chaitanya. Abhyupagamecha visheshana anavaraka vishishta avaraka shakti. Visheshana anavaraka. These are visheshana. Shukti is visheshana for Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya. Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya is visheshana for Anavachinna Chaitanya. This is visheshya. This is visheshana. Right? You can see. Shukti is visheshana for Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya. Because we say Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya. So Avachinna Chaitanya is a Shukti is visheshana. Anavachinna Chaitanya, Avachinna Chaitanya becomes visheshana. So he says, Visheshana Anavaraka. Visheshanas are not covered. by avidya. Why?
Jadatva.
अविद्या का
It is aprasakta prakasha vastu.
Because they are all jada, they are avidya karya, so they are not covered. So the only visheshya is covered. विशेषण अनावरक विशिष्ट आवर्क शक्ति अभिभवस्य विशेष्य आवर्क शक्ति अभिभवम विना. So if it is vishishta avaraka, in which visheshana is not covered, only thing that will be covered is visheshya. Visheshata avaraka shakti abhibhavam vina ayogena. So that is not possible without vishishya, which is being covered by the avaraka shakti. Avaraka shakti means shakti which is covering, that what we call as avaranam. Vina ayogena shuktyakara vrittya eva shuddhatma prakasha apatat. By shuktyakara vritti alone you will get brahma jnana. Iti chet. Siddhanti has to give answer now. Anavabodha. You don't know how we think. You don't know our principle. Okay, what is your principle? Nahi avidya kalpite avachinne asmabhihi. This is called mananam. You know, when people say, what is mananam? This is mananam. Mananam means how thoroughly they will think of every aspect, every concept. Mananam is not just, I am thinking about Brahman, sitting under a tree. Nahi avidya kalpite avachinne. Avachinna chaitanya is avidya kalpita. Avidya kalpite avachinne asmabhihi. Avidya va tat shaktihi va na abhyupeyate. In avidya kalpita or avachinna chaitanya, I mean avidya kalpita avachinna chaitanya or ghata patadi jada vastu shukti, we don't say there is avidya or its shakti. Kintu chaitanya matreva. This we are very clear. It is in chaitanya. Okay, so very shukti adhyastha. Shukti is not adhyastha in shukti avachinna chaitanya. Now he says, chaitanya matra eva tasmesu sarvam jadam adhyastam asti. All jada padartha, whether it is ghata, pata, shukti, etc., or avachinna chaitanya, all of them are adhyastha in chaitanya only. Adhyastam asti. Iti ekashraya ashritatva sambandhat. So they all have eka ashraya. Ekashraya ashritatva sambandha will be between what and what?
Between Shukti and Shukti avachinna chaitanya.
Any other example?
Antakarana and Antakarana avachinna chaitanya.
It is same example.
शुद्ध चैतन्य and shukti and avachinna chaitanya. Means both shukti and avachinna chaitanya and shuddha chaitanya.
No, it's the same example. You have to give some different example. All three people say the same example. Any example you take, why you have to give same? Ghata and Pata are also adhyastha in Brahma. What is the common thing between them? Ekashraya ashritatvam. Why you have to take Ghata and Ghatavachinna Chaitanya? Ghata and Patavachinna Chaitanya also has Ekashraya ashritatvam. What is the ashraya of all of them? Brahma, Shuddha Chaitanya. If Shuddha Chaitanya alone is the ashraya, anything will have ekashraya ashritatvam. जड़ावच्छिन्न चैतन्यम आवृतम इति व्यपदेशः. एकाश्रय आश्रितत्व संबंधात जड़ावच्छिन्न चैतन्यम आवृतम. So jada avachinna chaitanyam is avrutam. Avrutam because they all have same ashraya. They all are ashrita in chaitanya alone. So the vyapadesha means upadesha is done as jadavachinna chaitanyam is covered. घटादि आकार वृत्त्यात्तु तद अधिष्ठान चैतन्य अभिव्यक्तौ तद अवच्छेदेनैव तन्निष्ठ आवरण अभिभवो जायते इति न शुद्धात्म प्रकाशापत्ति. पूर्वपक्षी said with घटाकार वृत्ति you will get ब्रह्म ज्ञानम. We say no. What is the avachedaka there? So घटादि आकार वृत्ति तद अधिष्ठान चैतन्य अभिव्यक्ति. Only that अधिष्ठान चैतन्य अभिव्यक्ति will happen with तद अवच्छेदक. तद अवच्छेदेनैव तन्निष्ठ आवरण अभिभवो जायते इति. And therefore avachedaka is ghata, avachedaka is shukti. Only that much, to that extent ajnana avarana nivritti will happen, not samasta ajnana avarana nivritti. Even though everything is adhyastha in Brahma, only to that extent avarana nivritti has happened. That's why we say there is something called ghata avachinna chaitanya, shukti avachinna chaitanya. Everything is adhyastha in Moola Chaitanya, Brahma Chaitanya. But Shuddha Brahma Jnanam will not take place. Taduktam Sankshepa Sharirake Ashrayatva Vishayatva Bhagini Nirvibhaga Chittireva Kevala. You have to chant this shloka. पूर्व सिद्ध तमसो हि पश्चिमो नाश्रयो भवति नापि गोचरः. पूर्व सिद्धि तमसो is given. पूर्व सिद्ध तमसो is the better correct reading, not siddhi, siddha. आश्रयत्व विषयत्व भागिनी Nirvibhaga Chiti. Chaitanya, which is without any divisions, without any parts. Nirvibhaga Chiti eva kevala ashrayatva vishayatva bhagini. Ashrayatva bhag, vishayatva bhag. So, Nirvibhaga Chaitanya is the Ashraya and Vishaya of Avidya. Not Jiva, not Antakarnavachinna Chaitanya. Why? Purva Siddha Tamaso hi Paschimo Nashrayo Bhavati Napi Gochar. Purva Siddha, Ajnanam is Purva Siddha. Purva Siddha Tamasaha he Paschima. Paschima means that which comes later, Uttara Kale. Jiva. Jiva cannot become Ashraya, na Ashrayo Bhavati, napi Gocharaha, means napi Vishaya. Because Jiva comes after Avidya. Bahunigadya Kimatra Vadamyaham Shrunuta Sangrahamadvaya Shasane Sakalavang Manasati Gata Chitihi Sakalavang Manasavyavahara Bhag. संक्षेप शारीरकार सर्वज्ञात्म मुनि. He says, बहुनिगद्य किमत्र वदामि अहम्. बहुनिगद्य. I have already said so much. Kimatra vadami, what more shall I say now? Aham kim atra vadami. Shrunuta, but still you listen. Sangraham advaya shasane. Advaya shasane, advaya siddhante sangraham shrunuta. Sakala vang manasa atigata chitihi. That chitihi, Chaitanya, is beyond all mind and speech. Sakala vang manasa atigata chitihi. Sakala vang manasa vyavahara bhaga. And it is responsible for the vyavahara of all mind, speech, means all sense organs. Iti. Cha. So even first shloka said, even though everything is adhyastha in Shuddha Chaitanya, not Jiva Chaitanya, but only that much part of avidya is removed based on the avachedaka. And it is ashrita in Shuddha Chaitanya, Nirvibhaga Chaitanya, not in Avachinna Chaitanya. So everything is ashrita in Brahma. And the second part says everything that Chaitanya is beyond Vang and Manaha, but all the Vyavahara, like in Kenopanishad, what is said, he has said here. Iti cha tasmad avidyayam satyam api. Therefore, even if avidya is there, now rest of the sentence you leave, just you read the last part. Avarana, bhanga, anirmoksha, and badhanam upapatti. Avarana bhanga, avarana shabda is there, last line, last word, avarana. Avarana bhanga, 1. Anirmoksha, 2. Badha, 3. Badhanam, so bahuvachan. Shashti bahuvachan. So what he says is, therefore, even if Mula Vidya is there, avidyayam satyam api. Avidya means Mula Vidya. Shakti abhibhavat, different thing he says. 3 things will happen. Upapatti of 3 things will happen. One is Avarana Bhanga. Avarana Bhanga means Shukti, he gave the example, or Ghata you take. Ghata Avarana Bhanga will take place through Ghatakara Vritti. Second, Anirmoksha. Ghatakara Vritti will not give you moksha. This will happen. And third, Badha. Badha means Ghata Jnana Badha, you can say. Ghata Jnana will be eliminated. Ghatakara Vritti will do Avarana Bhanga of Ghata, Ghata Jnana Badha, and you will not get moksha. And if it is Shukti Rajata, let us say, Shukti Rupya you are seeing, Shukti Akara Vritti will take place. Then Shukti Akara Vritti, what it will do?
Bhanu Rajata also.
Bhajatam Rajata. And Shukti Ajnan Nivritti, moksha will not take place through that, and Rajata Badha will happen. So all the 3. Now what are the other things given in the middle? Shakti abhibhavadva, Tula Jnana Nashadva, Avastha Vishesha Pratyavadva, Ekadesha Nashadva, Iru Bhatavad Apasaranadva, Katavat Samveshtanadva. Some different ways in which, even if you understand what is Ajnanam, what is Avarana Shakti, etc., these 3 things will happen. Ghata Akara Vritti will give you Ghata Jnanam, Ghata Avarana Nasha, Ajnana Badha, and no moksha. So Shakti Abhibhavadva, he gives example. Avidya is 1. Avidya has many Shaktis. One Shakti Abhibhava happened. One Shakti got overpowered. Means one Avarana Shakti is eliminated. So this one way of explaining how this is happening. Or Tula Jnana Nashadva. Mula Jnana and Tula Jnana. Tula Jnana Nasha happened. Or Avastha Vishesha Pratyayavadva. Avastha Vishesha Pratyaya. So there are many avasthas of Ajnana. And Avastha Vishesha, some avastha is eliminated. But other avasthas are there. Or avastha is gone, but the dharmi is there. For example, some good example we should give. Okay, you take example of Ravana. Not best example, but you can understand. Ravana had how many heads?
10.
Very good answer. So if one head is gone, Ravana is still there. Another head is gone. One more head comes back. So these are all avastha. Avastha ajnanam can go. Dharmi, who has all these avastha, is there. In Dashtanta, if you want to understand, Ahankara has Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti avastha. One avastha goes, another avastha comes. One avastha goes, another. As long as Ahankara is there, avasthas will keep coming. So here what he is giving example as, some avastha vishesha is gone. Therefore, to that extent, you get the knowledge. Or ekadesha nasha. This is similar, ekadesha nasha. Bhiru bhatavat apasaranadva. A great warrior has to back off from some front. So that much part he has lost. But elsewhere he is still there. So this ajnanam is like Bhiru bhata. So there jnana vritti has come. And katavat samveshtanadva. Kata means a mat chatai, what we call. On the ground, let us say, big chatai is there or a rug is there. So you fold it from one end to the extent it is folded. Samveshtanam means to fold or roll it. That area of the ground is uncovered, but other area is still covered. Like in places where, they have cover to cover carpet. Everything is carpeted. So you remove carpet from some place. So that much floor you can see. But rest is covered. So rest is mula jnanam. Only that much is there. To that extent, avarana bhanga anirmoksha badhanam upapatti. Some question is there? No.
Swamiji, earlier there was a statement that the Avarna does not cover Shuddhi as well as Shakti Avachinna Chaitanya, because both are considered as Jada. So why is Shakti Avachinna Chaitanya considered as Jada?
Because it is avachinna. It is not Shuddha Chaitanya.
Still Chaitanya aspect is there.
Chaitanya aspect is there, but avachedaka is there. So when we say avachedaka, any avachinna Chaitanya has to associate with some Visheshana. Shukti avachinna Chaitanya, Ghata avachinna Chaitanya, Rajju avachinna Chaitanya. Avachinna Chaitanya cannot be by itself. So it will become a Vishishta, whose Visheshana is Avidyaka. Therefore, Vishishta also will become Avidya Karya.
So why do we have to put,
By itself, it is not. But when it is associated with something, it is. Then why?
why do we have two things, Shukti and Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya?
Why do we have to what?
Why do we have two things? Why do we have to have two things in mind when discussing? One is Shukti and one is Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya.
Because Shukti is the Visheshana. Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya will be the Vishishta or Visheshya. It is like Danda is there and Purusha is there. So you have Dandi Purusha. You cannot say why there is Danda and Dandi Purusha. Because Danda makes the Dandi Purusha. So common man sees only Danda or common man sees only Shukti. In his thinking, Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya doesn't come every time. So all general usage of the sentences and words is Ghatakar Vritti will remove Ghata Ajnanam. But later you find out that Ajnanam is not going to cover Ghata. It is like giving blindfold to a blind person. Therefore, it has to work on the Chaitanya which is Avachinna there. Then you realize that Avachinna Chaitanya is actually also Adhyastha in Shuddha Chaitanya. Means in Shuddha Chaitanya, you created a concept called Avachinna Chaitanya. Okay.
Ji Swamiji.
ननु अवस्था विशेषाणाम अज्ञान अभिन्नत्वे एका ज्ञान पक्षतिः अज्ञान भिन्नत्वे च साक्षात् ज्ञानेन निवृत्तिः प्रमादि उपादानत्वं च न स्यात्. Avastha Vishesha. Now Purupakshi says this Avastha Vishesha you are talking is different Shaktis of Mula Vidya. One Mula Vidya and so many Avarana Shaktis or so many Avastha Vishesha. Are they different from Mula Vidya or non-different? Just make it clear. Don't go with this word, that word, etc. Avastha Vishesha, are they different from Mula Vidya or non-different? If they are abhinna, if they are non-different from Mula Vidya, then there is no such thing called Eka Ajnana. Eka Ajnana Paksha Kshati means Hani. You say there is only one ignorance. There is no one ignorance. There are many ignorances there. And if you say Ajnana Bhinna, those avasthas are different from Ajnanam, then Ajnana Nivritti will happen, avasthas will remain. Because Ajnana has direct virodha or Jnana has direct virodha with Ajnanam only. Not all these avasthas. So Ajnana Bhinnatve cha Sakshat Jnanena Nivrittihi. Sakshat Jnanena Ajnana Nivritti. Brahmadi Upadanatvam cha na syat. But this Brahma, their Nivritti will not happen. Avastha Nivritti will not happen. One. Second, Brahmadi Upadanatvam, Tyam nahi, Tvam cha na syat. Those avasthas will not have Upadanam as this Ajnana. Because they are Bhinna. They are Ajnana Bhinna. Avasthas are independent. Ajnanam is different. Ajnanam will be removed by Jnanam. Avasthas will remain. They don't have same Upadana Karanam. Tesham iva rupyasya eva upadana nasham vina nasha prasangascha. And their nasham, upadana nasham vina eva nasha. They will be destroyed without their upadana karan nasha. It means somehow they will get destroyed, but they will not be associated with any upadanam because ajnanam is not their upadanam. Rupyasya iva, he gives example. Rupya means Shukti Rupya. So in case of Shukti Rupya, Shukti Jnanam will remove Shukti Ajnanam and Rupya. Correct?
Yes.
Bada of Rupya.
Bada means gone. it is Nasha. So just as it happens in case of Shukti Rupya, it will not happen in case of what you are saying. Ajnanam is bhinnam. Shukti ajnanam nashtam iti anubhav virodhascha iti. And if Shukti Rupya remains and Shukti ajnanam is gone, then Anubhav Virod will be there, because you are saying Shukti Ajnanam will be removed by Shukti Jnana, but Rajata will remain. So Rajata you will keep seeing. So this, he is discussing this on the strength of, there is a Vivarana Vakya, you see in Hindi Tika they have given. Vivaranacharya. अथवा मूला ज्ञानस्यैव अवस्था भेदाः रजतादि उपादानानि शुक्तिकादि ज्ञानैः सह अध्यासेन निवर्तन्ते. मूला ज्ञानस्यैव अवस्था भेदाः. So that's how Purvapakshi started with this question. These अवस्था भेद of मूला विद्या, are they भिन्न or अभिन्न? Rajatadi upadanani, and they become the upadana karana for Rajata or any other adhyasa that you do on Shukti. And their nivritti should happen Shuktikadi jnanaihi saha adhyasena Rajatadi upadanani nivartante. By Shuktikadi jnana, Rajatadi upadana and adhyasa, all of their nivritti should happen. But Purvapakshi says you have to see whether it is bhinna or abhinna, and then you analyze iti ched. So up to this is all clear?
Yes, Swami.
No, answer. Yato avastha tavad avasthavato abhinna eva. Avastha and avasthavan will not be different. Avastha avasthavatah abhinna eva. Ajnanaikyam tu sarvavasthanusyuta ekakaram adaya. But ajnana aikyam, that there is one ajnanam, all avasthas have to belong to avasthavan only. Ajnana aikyam tu sarvavastha anusuyuta ekakaram adaya. If there is a mala, there are different beads, different pearls, but one thread. So he says ajnanam is one. Avasthas can be many. Still, ajnanam will remain one only. Sarva avastha anusyuta. It goes through all of them. But it is ekakaram. Ekakaram means na janami. What is the nature of ignorance? Na janami. So ghatam, na janami. Patam, na janami. Vriksham, na janami. Idam, na janami. Tat, na janami. That na janami is common. You go on changing whatever you want to change. एवं च अज्ञानावस्थायाः अज्ञानत्वेन न ज्ञान साक्षात् निवर्त्यत्वादि अनुपपत्तिः, and therefore अज्ञान अवस्था is also अज्ञानम only. Why? Because we already said avastha is not different from avasthavan. So if they are ajnana avastha, so Purvapakshi's question was bhinna or abhinna. So we already answered it is abhinna. Therefore, ajnana nivritti means ajnana avastha nivritti, ajnana karya nivritti, everything will happen together. Sakshat. Yattu avastha visheshanam iva. And rupyasya eva upadana nivrittim vina nivritti apadanam. You said rupya will not go because of Shukti Jnanam, Shukti Ajnanam will go, but Rupya will not go. But it will go by some other reason or on its own. Tadayuktam. That is not right. Ajnana eva jnanasya sakshat virodha avadharanena ajnana avasthayaha tadabhinnayaha. And ajnana avasthas are not bhinna from that. Therefore, when ajnana nivritti will take place through jnanam, then all ajnana avasthas will remain or will go.
Will go. Swami.
All will go. All will go, and therefore jnanam will remain, but the bada of the bhranti, etc., will take place. Tadabhinnayaha jnata sakshan nivartyatva arhatvat. Natu rupyadina anidriktvat. Natu, not like how you gave the example of rupya. It is anidrik, means it is dissimilar example. Aneka ajnana pakshetu shankapi na udeti. And if there are different ajnanam, then one ajnanam will be removed by one jnanam, all other ajnanam will remain. So if aneka ajnana is there is no doubt. If you say one ajnanam, then we say one ajnanam, many avasthas. Somehow we will explain everything. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayana Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.